Instead of throwing away your ripe bananas, try these healthy chocolate banana bites that actually taste like dessert. You only need these 6 ingredients, and I start by mashing up 2 ripe bananas. This recipe only takes a couple minutes to put together, and then you'll bake everything in the oven for about 15 minutes, so altogether you're looking at about 20 minutes or so. Once you've got your banana all mashed up, you'll add 1 cup of rolled oats, then add a 1/4 cup of roasted chopped up hazelnuts. Then grab your cocoa powder, make sure it's unsweetened and there's no added sugar, but you're gonna add 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder. You'll then add in 1 tablespoon of maple syrup. Make sure the maple syrup that you use only has 1 ingredient, and that is organic maple syrup. You don't want anything else added to it. Pour it in, and the last ingredient you'll need is a 1/4 cup of unsweetened coconut flakes. So now that you've got everything you need added into the bowl, make sure you mix everything really well. Then get out your baking sheet, add parchment paper to it, and this made 12 servings for me. They'll probably look a little runny, so just add 12 spoonfuls onto the baking sheet and then go back, flatten them, clean them up a little bit, make them look nice, and then you'll add them into the oven at 350 degrees for 15 minutes. Some turned out bigger than others, that's fine, they all ended up tasting the same. They tasted really good eating them right out of the oven. I also put them in the fridge and let them sit overnight and ate them in the morning. They tasted just as good, so do whatever you like best. If you do give these a try, make sure you leave a comment and let me know how they turned out. If you haven't already, please make sure you subscribe to the channel. My goal is to provide healthy recipes with clean ingredients in videos that are under 3 minutes or less that are quick and straight to the point. Thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoy.